Piny owacho mamalo kanyakla kod 10 counties oketo winjruok mar loso chenro mabiro konyo e manyo yore mag nyayo pur makare, chenro mosir gi bengi mar piny mangima mabiro konyo e kedo gi midhiero mar oro. Kowuoyo bang' romo mane gibedo godo e boma ma Malindi kod komiti mar pur e riwruok mar Governors ma pachoka, jatend migao mar pur pachoka Mutahi Kagwe owacho ni yo maduong' mar tieko oro kod kech ma pachoka en mana ka piny owacho mamalo oriwore kendo tiyo kanyakla gi tend sirikande mag kor gwenge.
We have agreed that the counties are going to assess what actually we need to do in each county. For example, if it is building the feedlots, if it is the storage of material for syringes and hay and so on and so forth, that the counties will assess, determine where these mitigation measures and where the location of some of those things will be, so that in future we can prepare ourselves in advance. Because we know for a fact, as sure as day follows night, if we have got a bumper harvest, we are also at some point going to face the biblical drought at some point.
We really want these programs to directly affect the farmer if he's purchasing, for example, having feedlots. We want the money to go and be put in feedlots. 85 to 50 to 15. If it's a matter of building water dams, we want the money to go and build water dams. Because again, when you look at a budget that is talking about capacity building, I think we have moved away from there. And that is the emphasis, that at the end of it, the farmer must be at the center of what we are doing.
Again, I want to appreciate the minister and his team for also taking that aspect into consideration as part of the programs that we have been discussing.